In this example video, we're going to take a look at expanding brackets. And we have three examples to work through here, A, B, and C. So let's start with A here. And in part A, what we've been given is 2x plus y all squared. So for this example here, we can actually write this here as its product. So this is simply 2x plus y times by 2x plus y. And you can just simply expand this here using FOIL or the claw method or any other alternative method that you find to work. So here, this is 2x times 2x, giving us 4x squared. We then do 2x times y, which gives us 2xy, and again we do y times 2x, giving us another 2xy. And if we collect those together, that would give us 4xy. So if we write that in full, that's 2xy plus another 2xy. And finally, we've got y here times this final y here, and y times y simply gives us y squared there. And if we simplify this expression here, all we get is 4x squared plus 4xy plus y squared there. And that gives us the solution there in its simplest form for part A. For part B then, this part's a little longer here. Now for this example here, we've got 3x squared plus 2x times by x cubed plus 5x plus 2. So what we'll do here is we'll use colours just to show how we're separating this part. What we're going to do is split this into two scenarios. We're going to split this into 3x squared times this expression here, and then 2x times this expression here. So if we do the 3x squared part first, that's going to be 3x squared times by x cubed plus 5x plus 2, like so. Okay, we're then going to expand that. What we're also going to do, if we write this out in a different colour here, we'll write this out in blue, we're also going to have plus 2x, and then we're going to have this expression again. So what we're doing is we're multiplying x cubed plus 5x plus 2 by 3x squared and also by 2x, and then we're going to collect like terms. So plus 2x lots of x cubed plus 5x plus 2. Okay, so let's deal with the red part first here. So expanding this part in red here, we've got 3x squared times x cubed, so that's simply going to give us 3x to the power of 5. We've got 3x squared times 5x, well if we expand that there, that will give us 15x cubed, so that's 15x cubed, and finally we've got 3x squared times by 2, so 3x squared times by 2 gives us 6x squared. So all I've done there is simply multiplied 3x squared by x cubed, multiplied it by 5x, and then finally multiplied it by 2 as well. And now if we consider the part in blue here, in that case what we're going to obtain here is 2x times by x cubed, so that's going to give us 2x to the 4. We've got 2x times 5x, that will give us 10x squared. And finally we've got 2x times 2, and that will give us 4x. And now if we just go back to our black pen here, just so we can simplify everything and make it clear what our final solution is here, we're just going to collect like terms. So we've only got one x to the 5 here, or 3 lots of that. There's no other x to the 5s, so in that case that's just simply 3x to the 5. Same again here with this 2x to the 4. There's no other multiples of x to the 4 here, so we just write that part as plus 2x to the 4. We've got 15x cubed here, and again another x cubed, so that's just simply plus 15x cubed. We've got a 6x squared here and a 10x squared here, so if we collect those, that's going to give us 16x squared. And finally we've just got a plus 4x here, so in that case that simply gives us plus 4x. And that's our final solution there for B. And then finally we move on to C here, which is the product of 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 4. Now I'll give you just a moment there just to see if you can recognise what this expression is and the name of that expression. So hopefully you might have recognised what this product actually represents, and that's the difference of two squares. So here, if you actually expand this, what you're simply going to do is just 3x times 3x, and then you're going to do 4 times minus 4. With the difference of two squares, the middle terms actually cancel. Now we'll expand it in full here, so we're going to get 3x times 3x, which gives us 9x squared. I'm going to do 3x times minus 4, giving us minus 12x. We have 4 times 3x, which would give us positive 12x. And finally, 4 times minus 4 would give us minus 16 there. And like we just previously said here, the middle terms here just simply cancel. Minus 12x plus 12x equals 0. And what that leaves us with then is 9x squared minus 16. And like we just said, that's a difference of two squares there for part C. And that gives us the solution there for A, B, and C.